You are welcome to my channel Collins in AD. In this video I'm going to show you how I made this wonderful, unique and luxurious lighting fitting using just lamp holder and vintage rope. This is my lamp holder. I'm connecting my 1mm flexible wire to the lamp holder. I use this to hold the 1mm wire firmly to the lamp holder. This is 2.5 mm solid wire. I'm covering the 1mm wire with the vintage rope so that only the vintage rope will be visible. So at some point I use the gum to hold the vintage rope to avoid sagging. I'm using the glue to hold the 2.5 mm wire on the body of the lamp holder. Just wash out and see the end results. So tell me what you think about the lighting fitting in the comment section. And if you are watching my video for the first time, please like, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to drop a comment. Check my channel for more project videos on lighting fittings, work log, power bank, and so many of them. Thank you. Subscribe.